This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. Stand up and act like a lady.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. On July 5th, 2018, Denver Police Department officers Adam Paulson and James Brooks noticed journalist Susan Green filming a man receiving medical attention and decided that she required aggravated enforcement of laws that they don't understand. The officers approach Green and turn on their body cams.
This is protected by HIPAA. You can't record here, and you can't.
Information Privacy and Protection Act.
There's also a First Amendment. Have you heard of it?
Well, that doesn't supersede HIPAA.
It doesn't supersede HIPAA. Just step away,
Hold on,
or you'll be arrested for interference. Step away, or you'll be arrested for interference.
Ow!
Stand up straight. Let's act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady.
Stand up and act like a lady. Noise. It would help if these officers would first act like men. The officers seemed to be interested in protecting the privacy of a man they were assisting into an ambulance. No information has been released about him, but we know he was not charged with anything and was naked on scene, and in handcuffs while she was filming. However, officers will often obstruct the view of a camera to prevent their own crimes from being documented. Green was on a public sidewalk, and her right to record should have not been prevented. Secondly, HIPAA laws do not apply in this situation. HIPAA does not protect all health information, nor does it apply to every person who may see or use health information. HIPAA only applies to covered entities such as health plans, insurance companies, HMOs, and certain government programs that pay for healthcare. The officers claim that she is violating HIPAA is an uneducated stab in the dark in an attempt to hem up Miss Green and enforce their feelings instead of laws on her.
Are you kidding me?
Nope.
They act like a lady?
There you go. Now you can go to jail.
There we go. Perfect. We're gonna go over here to this car. No, come on.
Somebody take a photo!
It's being recorded. It's being recorded.
Stop!
641 Charlie, 642 Adam.
You are hurting me!
Well, walk.
Then walk.
Stop resisting.
Stop resisting. Just relax your body and walk normal.
Yes, just
That's
walk.
all you gotta do. Stop trying to throw your weight. Now, you're going to sit in the car and we're going to put the seatbelt on, okay?
Have a seat in the car, please. Yeah, he's up there. Good luck. Can you reach that?
Huh? What car are you?
Yeah.
I got it. Yeah, put us out with multiple. We got, what's happening with?
He's just gonna go to the hospital.
Oh, okay. Alright.
There's no Tokyo Joe's around here.
Yeah,
so
13th and Grant.
13th
I was gonna call for a car, but then she started interjecting herself.
What did you need?
So can we get another car to?
I'll go cruise up there and see if I can find him.
He says a blue shirt or blue cut-off shorts and a blue shirt. Shorts have like a green stripe, I think it was. Thanks.
You want to call Sarge out for interference?
Yeah, we can do that. It's on the east side.
Green spent the next 12 minutes in the back of the vehicle while the officers called a more experienced and learned officer, who then told Brooks and Paulson to release Miss Green. She filed a complaint against the officers and both were suspended for 2 days without pay. Green then sued the department, and they settled with her for $50,000. The Denver Police Department is also being forced to conduct training on constitutional protections. You know, the main reason we employ them. Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.